been shown. This is not a real video. This is very unplanned, unraw.
Yes.
Very raw. So we are all upstairs, and my dad calls down and he says, "Who left the bird cage open? One of them are missing."
And we thought he was tricking us, but he's really not, because we have 4 birds.
If you know us, guys, we have 4 birds.
We have 2 green ones and 2 blue ones. And by the way, we think that green one right there, we think that green one right there might be pregnant. But anyway, so I was calling her name, or him, I don't know what gender it is, but I'm saying Barry because that's her name. And then I'm looking, and she's over there, sitting on the floor, guys. And we have a box right now. We're gonna get it.
No, get back, because we don't want to scare it, guys. But if you can see it, should I turn on the light? I don't know if they'll be able to. Can you guys see that small bird just sitting there
On the floor.
If you guys don't, just get closer.
And yeah, we're not gonna get too close.
So guys, we're trying not to get too close, but I'm trying to use some gloves.
And we also have a box.
Gloves help. The gloves help because they like to pinch you or bite you. So we're trying to get our dog away.
Yeah.
7, go over there. 7, go.
Come 7.
So we'll update you guys once we get further more details.
All right, it's fine. Okay,
So
guys.
guys, my dad is starting to get very.
We're trying to get him at least.
Okay, guys. 7.
Guys, we're trying to get him in there. Is he in?
Oh, she's getting out. She's going under.
Oh no.
She's moving.
He's right. Oh my gosh, he keeps trying to go under the chair.
You want me to hold it?
We gotta lift the chair up.
Lift the chair down?
No.
Dad said no.
He's under the chair. Yeah.
He flew into the wall. And now he's in the chair.
You okay, Barry?
Oh, Barry. We're never letting him out.
Where is he?
There.
7. Ah. Where?
What if he flies out?
Oh, let's see if I can see him. Oh, I see him. Move, 7. You're in my way. 7.
Seven, go get off his bed.
I know, he didn't get him.
Where is he?
This one?
No. Oh, she keeps.
Wait, let me see if you guys, if I can see.
Light.
That's not light.
That is a
It
sickle
looks
bag.
thick.
It's really.
Lighter than that.
He's eating something under the couch. He's eating something. Come on, hurry up and get him. He's eating. Oh my gosh, he's eating something. Can you guys see that?
Where is it?
It's there. Oh, guys, you can see him. He keeps eating something. No, Dad, you need to turn it that way. He's right.
7.
Yeah, there you go.
Come on.
Where? Which way?
He's on the right side, your left side.
My head poops on me.
No, stop. You're gonna run over his feather.
Get in here, 7.
He needs to move.
7.
Wait, you guys can see that. There you go.
Oh, I see.
Wait, no. Wait, let him move. Okay, go. Wait, stop. You need to turn it that way. Here, let me move it.
He's facing that way, so.
Can you guys see it? There you go. Look, yep, keep pulling it, Dad. He's coming. Stop. Yeah, just wait. Look, can you guys see him?
Oh, yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Let me have the
Come around this way,
he's
Dad.
super
Come here,
close
7.
to the
Come.
edge.
You're in the way. Come.
I can see Stella now.
Can you guys see it? He's right there.
Chloe.
Wait, yep. Keep going.
Right there. Don't move
Turn
back.
to your left. Push it to your left. Slowly. No, left, not back. Left. 7. Oh my gosh.
7, get in here.
Yep. Come here. Come, birdie. Yep, he's coming out, Dad. There you go. Can you guys see
Keep
him?
pushing.
See him?
Put it over.
Put it over. There we go. Yes, we got him under. Okay, now. Okay, guys, he's under that just so we can catch him. Come, 7. Come.
Come on.
London.
7,
Come.
over here. 7.
I'm holding 7 back. We're trying to get him. Did he go in? Chloe, come back so you don't step on it.
Should I check?
Do you want me to pull the blanket out?
No, we'll wait. Uh-oh, I think I hear him.
Is he in?
Yep.
Okay, he's in the box. Whew.
How did I get in the cage?
bird's too scared.
Come
back
back,
up.
bird.
Get back up there.
All of them are flying around. Oh!
You got it off?
Yep.
Good job, Daddy.
Teamwork.
We got it.
Stay in there.
Teamwork.
How'd your little investigating?
There you go. That's your adventure for the
I'm
day.
so